In this video, we will show you how to convert EPUB files into PDF files. You can see here we have the around.epub files and we cannot open it. So we can convert. After convert, we can open it on Windows. Okay. Just open the Google and type EPUB to PDF and select free pdfconvert.com. Okay. Slash EPUB-2-PDF here. After that, just choose ebook files and select your EPUB files here and make sure the EPUB file is valid so it can be processed. Just waiting until it's done here. After it's done, you can click download. After that, just put on the desktop. For example, we will compare it. And now let's open. Okay, we have around.pdf and around.epub. Okay, in the size, the PDF is smaller. You can see here it's 2.2 megabytes. For EPUB file is 3.09 megabytes. Okay, then we can open our PDF files, and that's how you can convert EPUB files into PDF files. Okay, if you want to read the EPUB files, you can using Calibre. Okay, the link download of Calibre you can get in comment sections. Okay, thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.